Could have done some mics today, couldn't we?
No, yeah. It's so big, that's why it's too big there.
Behind you all you can see a white with a stylo. Cement goes when you do the company, they do a bit more. Cement goes inside the stylo, that goes into the mixer will pump in. There's a part there in the back of the extruder where it goes into. So there could be a continuous feed from the stylo, mixer, just a small head with handles. So this robot, the way it works, you'll see it also doing the test here. So it goes along the extruder, so it's building a wall, they'll build a wall up to whatever point it's been programmed to go to. And from that point, the whole robot, because there's some tracks, will move and it keep thinking. Whatever length the track is, whatever is programmed to go, that's where it'll stop.
The accuracy and everything. Isn't the key thing? Such a lot to have such accuracy.
It's programmed to stop, and the whole robot on the tracks will keep printing, the whole robot will move. So you'll see a little bit of that happening now, where it'll move along, the extruder will move along, whatever is being programmed to do, and then the robot will move and continue printing along the bar, back again. So this is a fantastic way to do it, because unlike the four-legged gantry system, you can only print inside the four legs, because you can't, and that's quite restricted. You all heard about Trump wanted to build a wall between Mexico and USA. This robot can build that wall. I would recommend that you like it in Mexico. But because it's on track, you can keep building as far as you want. And that's the unique design. The thing is that we made it scalable, we made it cost effective, we made it so it can be put together faster, we made it transportable. And that is the main reason why 3D content printing hasn't gone mainstream.
Put you back. Naughty Ed.
Health and safety first, saved my life.
Adam, you can claim against him. You're in the way, my friend.
Whatever, this is over 11 foot high. You can do that, right?
Yeah. That's a milkshake. Scientific milkshake.
setting up the computer and programming it to the size where they're going to drop the concrete on.